Good morning, Quadcopter 1, and what I got for you today is a review of the EDrone Cube. The EDrone Cube is another Wi-Fi FPV flyer, as you can tell. I got my phone attached here, but it is a little portable thing that collapses into a cube. It's actually kind of cute. To open it up, all you do is swivel up the arms like so, and it closes the same way in reverse. They have a drone. Now, the reason for this design is the center of gravity is real low on the drone, and the idea is that'll help stabilize the video. The lower the center of gravity pointing it, and the lower you put the center of gravity on a drone, the more stable it will tend to be. With that in mind, it's not going to be very maneuverable with this low center of gravity, but it should hold the drone relatively stable for the video. Now, here's the video camera on this drone. It's a little 720p HD camera, and it transmits video directly to your phone via Wi-Fi. It does have an on-off switch on the top to turn it on and off, and it is powered by a little 450 milliampere hour, very common generic white low C connector battery. So that is the Quadcopter. Very basic, very simple. Pop it open and close it like so. Now let's go over the controller. Let me point the camera off in that direction, and there's a reason being, I'll show you why later. The controller, actually a nice little controller, feels good in the hands. This button here is for rates, or actually the back button is rates, the front button is headless mode. Front button here is one key return, and the back button is flips. And they're not labeled, they're just labeled R1, R2, L1, L2 for left and right. But again, flips in the back, one key return in the front, headless mode in the front, and rates in the back. The other, this is your throttle and yaw, and notice this is head or altitude hold quadcopter since our throttle stick is centered, pitch and roll, and these are just trim buttons, and on-off switch here. So let's go for a flight of the Cube and see how it performs. Hope you enjoy this flight. To turn it on, all we do is hit the on-off button, and let's verify that we got some lights that we are on. There we go. That blue flashing light, and the blue flashing light is right there. And we'll start up Wi-Fi, connect to the Wi-Fi, and then open its app, which is Wi-Fi UFO. Okay, to start up, we go out, down and out. There we got down and out. And we give it some throttle. And I'm going to go into headless mode. And we're going to start the video recording now. And since we're in headless mode, and also I'm going to higher rate because I got a little bit of a breeze. And bringing it back, and there I am. So this is another little selfie quadcopter. Mainly we're taking selfie pictures. How do you like my shirt today, folks? Let's bring it a little closer so you can see that, and a little lower. Am I showing up? You see my shorts. But I want to bring it in close so you can see the quadcopter. So that's it. Very low center of gravity to stabilize the picture. But other than that, let's come out of headless mode again. I want to fly it normally. Is that normal? Yeah, that's normal. So at least the thing is, if you have it in headless mode, you really can't tell where the front of the quadcopter is. It becomes very confusing unless you color it. Maybe put some color, a piece of tape or something on the front there to identify which way is the front. But let's go up a bit higher. Right about there. Okay, I flew out of range. There, I came back into range. So when it flies out of range, it drops. It'll drop until it falls back into range, as you saw there. Let's do that one more time. And then it falls back into range, and then it does a descent until you stop the descent. So that was its range, folks. It's very limited in range, maybe 20 meters, something like that. But again, it is meant as a selfie quadcopter, mainly for selfie videos. Let's do some selfie photos. Okay, that's enough selfie photos. But interesting little thing. Now, do I have power for a flip? Don't do flips, folks. Very weak in flips. Okay. Stop that. Stop. Be good. Don't do flips, folks. You can see it doesn't like, this is not meant to be doing flips. Even though it has flip capability, don't do it, or that will happen. Okay, I'm going to stop that one video. Let's see if we got any more power left to take off again. Starting the video one more time. I think we used up all the power there doing that flip. So that's its flight time too, folks, unfortunately. So that is the little cube, 720p HD. You'll see the video. Hopefully the video came out nicely. We'll see it in post-production here. But again, a little low center of gravity pocket quadcopter, meant for selfie videos only, not really maneuverable. So I hope you enjoyed this flight. This is Quadcopter 101, signing out.